Hey everyone, Justin from the Jenni AI team here with another tutorial video showing you how to create a new document completely from scratch using the Jenni workspace. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing that you need to do is go ahead and click new and then create new document. And if you have an existing draft of your paper, you can upload it into Jenni to help revise your work. Or if you're starting a paper completely from scratch, Jenni will first ask you to create a prompt for the topic that you're writing about. So let's just say that we're writing a topic about a literature review about the ketogenic diet. And as you can see, Jenni is giving us a rating based on how detailed our prompt is. So of course, something like the ketogenic diet is quite a broad topic. So why don't we add some additional details? So instead of just the ketogenic diet, we can say something like challenges, alternatives, and opportunities within the keto diet. And that's a better prompt to get started. The next thing that you can do is once you have finished your document prompt, click next and open our citation settings. So we have filters for publish year, impact factor, and you can even choose your citation setting here as well. So Jenni supports over 2,600 styles to choose from. So any specific style you're looking for, we very likely have it. I will stick with APA for now. Now we can click next and we can choose to create an outline. So you can either create a standard IMRAD headings style, which include things like introduction, methodology, results, conclusion, things like that. Or we can select smart headings, which Jenni will analyze the document prompt that we wrote above and give you suggested subtopics for your written draft. So let's just go with smart headings. And once all of the settings have been chosen for your document, we can just click start writing right here. And Jenni will generate us a sample title as well as the structure of our paper here as well. And now I can just start writing however I want. And that's exactly how you create a document with Jenni. Thanks for watching.